Hello everyone. As you all know, Father's Day is coming. So today I'm going to teach you beautiful cards and very simple that you can make with the material available at home. So you can make those cards easily with simple steps and you can gift it to your father. So kids, you know when is the Father's Day? It's on 21st of June, this Sunday. So today I'm going to teach you how to make beautiful cards for your father. I'll teach you three different ways, three different types of cards. First is this one. Okay, so here we have a tie also. Here you can write, and this is the first one, and this is the second one with the bow and strip. Okay, and this is the third one. So third one is because if some people don't have buttons, so they can use these paper buttons. So these are the cards that we are going to make. So first of all, I'll start with this one, this pink one. This is the easiest one because we are not making collar in this. So for this, we'll be needing a sheet like this, and this is a pastel sheet. This is sturdy. This is a pastel sheet. Now I'll be using this strip. This is also a pastel sheet, and this is you can use any color of your choice, whatever is available. So what you have to do, you have to put some glue on this. And put this in the center like this. After this, we'll be needing this bow. So I already have this bow with me, but for you I'll tell you how to make this bow. So see, for this I'm using this paper. You can use any origami sheet or any thin paper. If you use a thin paper, then that will be easier for you to make a bow. Okay, so now in this we'll do fan folding. So fan folding is one side up and one side down, up and down, up and down, up. Okay, so it's like this. This is looking like a fan. Okay, if I hold this from here and spread it from both the sides, so you will get a proper fan. See, now this is looking like a bow. Now whatever color you want, you can wrap a sheet to fix this bow. So maybe I can take any color. I have blue also. So I'll use this blue strip. So I'll take a thin strip. This much is enough, I think. So again, I'm going to put some glue in this, and after putting the glue, so like this, you can measure center, and after doing it, you can roll this sheet in the center like this. And see, bow is ready. Okay, so you can paste this bow wherever you want. See. Here and buttons. So my first card is ready. Okay, this one is ready. Now moving to the next one. Okay, now I'll keep this one over here, this one here. So for this, again I'll be needing a this pastel sheet. I'm using a pastel sheet. So this is my pastel sheet. So now for this, what we have to do, first of all, we'll draw a line over here. This line I'm drawing for collar. So this should not be very thick or thin. See, if you measure with your fingers, this is little broader than your finger. So I'll take this size, and this is a line that I'm going to draw. And why I have drawn this line, so that you'll get idea till where we have to cut. Now this is the center part of our card, and this is the line. So what we'll do, we'll cut it from here till this line. Okay, now I can fold this sheet easily. Okay, and this is an extra part that we are going to cut, so I'll just cut this part also. After cutting this part, what we have to do now, this is my front part. See, this is my front. So now what I'll do, I'll just fold it like this so that I have a good crease with me, so it helps me in cutting. This line will help me in cutting. Okay, so now this is my line. So I'll take center of this. This is 6 inches, so I'll put a dot in 3 inches, and I'll leave some space like this. This is my center, so this much I'll cut. This I'm cutting for the collar, this part, and again this part. From top you have to cut. Okay, so now see, this part is cut and this part is cut. So now what I'm going to do, I'll hold both these papers and I'm going to fold these. Now this should not overlap, and you have to measure your length like this, and then see, we have a center here. So what we'll do, we'll fold this collar like this. Okay, and this is done. So now in this card we don't have to make a tie. So what I'll do, with this center, I'll make a line. Again, I have this center, so I'll make a line here also, and here we are going to paste buttons. Now in this card, see, in this card I have used paper buttons because sometimes we don't have buttons at home. Maybe today you don't have buttons, so we can use these paper buttons also, and I'll tell you how to make these paper buttons. Suppose in this card I want to use some different color. Whatever color you want, you can use those colors. This is a pack of origami sheet. So in this, what color should I use? I'll use some different color. Okay, so let's use this. Okay, so for buttons, I'll be needing 3 buttons for this. You can use as many as you want. I'm using 3. Okay, so for this, first I'll cut a strip like this, and then I'll fold this into 3 parts, 3 equal parts, so that I'll draw 1 button and I'll get 3. Now I'm drawing a circle here. So first of all, I'll cut this circle. Like this, you'll cut very neatly. Slowly you'll cut. I have few buttons with me, so I'll place these buttons over here to give them some real look. What I'll do, I'll put 2 dots over here, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 2. Now bow, you already know how to make a bow, so I'm not going to tell you again, as you all already know. Here I've used a small paper, small bow. Here in this one I've used a big paper for big bow. So if you want a small one, you can use a small bow. If you want big, you can use big. So this card is also ready now. Okay, see, if you want to make a small bow, you can cut your paper from here, so you'll get a small bow. And now you have to put some glue over here, and I'm going to paste this like this. Now my second card is also ready. For the third one, what we have to do, this is the third one. Okay, so now I'll keep this over here, and this is the third one. So till collar, process is same. Okay, and after this I'll tell you how to make a tie. See, like this, we'll take a small paper, fold it like this from the corner, like this, and then we're going to draw a tie, straight line followed by a slanting line inside, then again a big slanting line like this outwards, and then what you have to do to join this. So I have made a half tie, but when we'll cut this, you'll get a full tie. So this way you'll get a perfect shape, because sometimes when we draw, the lines are not that straight. So it's better to cut your whatever tie or whatever bow you're making, cut it like this. See, now this is ready. So I'm going to put it over here and check whether the size is correct or not. So I think little have to cut a little bit more, so I'll just cut it. Okay, now this is perfect. So now what we'll do, we'll fix this tie here, put some glue here. This, put some glue. So my this part is also ready. Tie one. I'm going to raise this line because this is visible. Okay, now I'll make two helping lines over here with pencil. Don't use sketch pen, use a pencil, so that inside this you can write. Now you have a place to write. Now see, here I have written Happy Father's Day. Same way you can write Happy Father's Day over here. If you want, you can make a pocket also. Now this one also, this card is also ready. Okay, you can write whatever you want, a good quotation or something. So all the three cards are ready. I'll show you. One is this, other one is this one, this one, this one is also ready, and this one is also ready. So we have all the three cards ready with us. Okay, so I'll just take this out. These I've shown you in the starting of our video. I've shown you these cards. These three are ready with us. Now you know how to make Father's Day card. So now make beautiful cards. Use good color combinations, whatever color is available at home. Thank you. Bye bye.